overnight. I decide.
Alright, you guys, so today's wig is from Arabella Hair. They sent me a 613 24-inch wig, and they also sent me some extra goodies. I'm just showing you guys what comes when you purchase a wig from Arabella Hair. And I put it on Instagram if y'all wanted me to do red hair or pink hair, and you guys said red, which is perfect because it's about to be Valentine's Day. And Arabella is having a Valentine's Day sale, you guys. So I'll leave all the information down below for Arabella Hair. As y'all can see, they sent me a 24-inch wig. I'm so excited to show you guys how I achieved this red hair. Y'all was going crazy on Instagram about the hair color. So keep on watching, you guys. I'm going to tell y'all everything that I did. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. My next hair video, I'm going to show y'all this new ball cap method that I found out about. And when I tell y'all it's the ultimate melt, bitch, it's the ultimate fucking melt. Alright, you guys, so first I started off with some really hot water, y'all. I had to make 3 pots of water to get enough water to do this watercolor. And I think I did it wrong, y'all, because my wig had like 2 different shades of red. And, I mean, I finessed it good, but still, I wish I would have did it the right way. So now I know. I think I'm just going to stick between 2 different shades. I'm using the Adore dye. I'll show you guys what color I'm using in a few. So I'm using Truly Red and I'm using Ruby Red. And I wish I would have just stuck to Ruby Red because Truly Red is a little too bright for me. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did. Let me know what you guys think. I tried something new for this wig install. I'm tired of doing middle bang. I'm tired of doing middle parts, so I decided to do this swoop, updo kind of thing. So I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out a while live. I keep seeing the leaders doing, let's be talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my Marshawn shit. I been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised soak in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing, I be locked in. I was lost here, all that turned me to a target. Niggas plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now. I got plans now, I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go this year. All of that bullshit is in my rip. Hey. Blue tint papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, say you down for me. Wait, okay. I give a fuck what you telling me. I really grind like it's 10 of me. Sauce drip, I got the recipe. And you can find me where that pressure be. I'm really tryna see Tel Aviv. Fuck your elevation, I've been levitated, did the preparation. I've been meditated, I've been hella patient. I'm so tired of waiting. I got right here with my day. Young niggas from where that crevice be. I've been solid since the less of me. Out here with the C, really in the field. Niggas on cam now, I got plans now. Finna branch out, grew up quick, but never let go of this year. All of that bullshit is in my rear. Ayy, blue tint papers, blowing vapors, wouldn't trade this. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play the play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me.
Hey, gala. Hey, gala. Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Gala. bend over. Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you along with? I know game. Anytime you're ready, girl. Let me hear. The place make me fly. In the rain, I make you feel high like on a plane. She say I saw the love, the act. Taste like sweet and I touch this fat. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, touch the track. Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Girl, your body hotter than a suntan. You make me turn up at attention. You pretty like the melodies in the song. Plus the cookie know your body kill you make your body strong. Girl, and the problem you got now with a fix it. And when you dance to me song it turn addictive. Up like a drum on a beat, it you tight like a secret. So you feel wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Why this make you feel like you? 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 Girl, you want to broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, okay, broke off your back.